Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guys, we've got more Hyper Tough Hyper Stack. And as you can see right there on the top, we've got the 3-drawer system that we just got our hands on. And we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do a close look. We'll give you pricing. We'll give you specs. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Guys, before we start this video, I want to make sure you're aware of the 2 videos we've done on Hyper Tough Hyper Stack. Obviously, we did the close look at the Toolbox system to the left, and we just got in the crate, we got in the dolly, and more on this video to the right. Links will be in the description if you want to check these 2 out, but I guess let's go ahead and continue on. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. There you go. So I'm going to start off giving you pricing and some information. Then we'll go ahead and take a real good close look. All right. So let's start off with the price. This is MSRP $39.98 at Walmart. I'll put the link in the video description. Now, this has the HyperStack cleat system that works with the hooks and the rail accessories. It is made of an impact-resistant polymer material. It has steel ball-bearing slides, and they say it has a one-touch lock release, but really, to me, you kind of have to use 2 hands to do that. Now, they don't list the weight capacity. If I get it before this video ends, I'll put it on the screen, but it's nowhere to be found. And really, the only place I can get information is really the Walmart website. Now, the weather rating, there is none. There is no IP rating because these are drawers. But the other boxes are all IP65. The weight on this is 13.64 pounds or 6.18 kilograms. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions on the screen. And the warranty is a limited lifetime warranty. Let's take a moment and take a close look. Before I look at that again, I just want to remind you this is a new box. It is a toolbox compared to the organizer, so it's the same size. And you've got a crate and you've got the dolly. All right, so we did that video. I'll put the link in the video description for you. But let's take a closer look at these drawers. So you'll see here you've got 3 drawers, and they do hold on tight. When you pull it open, you'll notice all 3 of the drawers have organization that can be removed. And then it's got these bars here that take up a little bit of room in the box, and all 3 of them do that, just so you'll know. Now the slides are ball-bearing steel slides. They seem made well. So, pretty decent. And you'll see on the top of the box you do have a ruler. A 16-inch ruler. Here's where you would attach another box. You just drop it on, it locks in place. It also has these cleats for accessories on both sides and the back. Now let me take this off for a minute and show you something. So taking it off, they say it's a one-touch, but it's really not, because you have to grab both sides and press the red locks in place, you know, in order to pretty much open this up. But again, 2 cleats here. You've got 3 in the back. Again, another 2 on the other side. And let's take a look at the bottom of the box. You'll see that it's reinforced for strength. So, you know, they just reinforce this for strength. And then there's kind of the grabbers, basically, you know, that actually attach to the bottom box. So pretty thick plastic, I must say. And you know what? I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. And again, just putting this back on, so I would have to take this, lay it in place, and it is now, it's not going anywhere. I mean, they're locked in pretty nice. Obviously, put tools in it, all that, that's the next question. And again, I don't have the weight capacity, but when I get it, I'll put it on the screen. That's if I get it. And I'm assuming they'll break the weight capacity down by draw. All right, check it out. So I just kind of moved it over to where the dolly is there, as you can see. And then the bottom big box. And now you've got 3 drawers. And then you've got that new top box that just came out. So pretty nice. And then there's the new crate. And pricing's really nice. You know, I'll tell you. Links will be in the video description if you want to pick some of this stuff up. I really hope this video helped you. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope our video helped you in some way. And if it did, do me a big favor and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. And hey, if you could share our video with your friends and your family, that would be awesome. I'm going to put my social media channels right up top. If you want to follow us on social media, go right ahead and send us a message. Let us know that you did. And hey, check out our new Tesla channel. When you get a chance, just look us up at My Tesla Journey 1. And subscribe if you can. I'm going to put a video here on the right side of the screen where my finger is. If you have time, check that out. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at Tech Made Easy, all you got to do is click this round Tech Made Easy logo right there. And you'll be able to subscribe on the spot and join the family. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.